guys, so I just got to the spot. I'm gonna shoot some quick photos. The car looks really good in the sunlight, so I really love this spot. This is one of my favorite spots to go to. That's basically what I'm gonna do right now. And then we're gonna go head out, pick up the truck, and get my new Evo 10 hood. Hey, what's up guys? As you can tell, I got the hood open and hood's on the ground right now. Just gonna be removing the old hood, putting the new Evo 10 hood on. And yeah, as you can tell, it's really dark out. I got home pretty late. It was like a 6-hour car ride in total, so. But anyway, it was worth it. So yeah, so 4 bolts, I believe they're all 12. I believe they're all 12 millimeters. So yeah, let's just get this hood off. By the way, this is like a 2-person job, so if you have somebody to help you, make sure you get somebody to help you. Mustang. But yeah, so that's it. 4 bolts, 2 on each side, 12 millimeters, and we're just gonna take that off and then put the new one on, and let's go. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the final product. I'm really excited, but yeah, let's do it. Oh shit. Oh, the fit, man, dude. That's perfect. It looks so good, guys. I love it so much. I'm just gonna show you guys the rest of it tomorrow because as you can see, it's really dark out. But yeah, I'll finish the rest of the video later. So what's up guys, so it's the next day. This is technically gonna be the reveal because yesterday you couldn't really see it well because it was so dark. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now with the hood. And before anything, I just wanna leave my comments. I think it looks really, really good. I love the black on it. It makes the car look so much more aggressive. But yeah, I'm really excited about it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this. Leave a comment and just let me know what you guys think. If you like it black, if you like the OEM hood better, if you would like me to paint match it. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so I pretty much told everybody that I was gonna get this hood, all except one person. So that's my friend Misael. I'm gonna actually surprise him and get his reaction to the hood and like how it looks because he loves Evos. He has a STI. I told him we were gonna take some photos later, and I was gonna meet him at like racetrack or something. So yeah, so when I meet him at racetrack, I'm just get his reaction to it, and hopefully it's a good reaction. Alright guys, so I just got to the spot, same spot for the beginning of the video. So there's a gas station, there's a racetrack that's like right next to where I'm at. Misael is right there and he's getting like ice cream or something. So I got here before him, so I'm gonna get good reaction of like what he's gonna think of the car, because like right here, pristine condition, just washed, not that much sun, but good lighting, So yeah, hopefully he likes it. Yeah, I just can't wait to see what he thinks. Alright, I'm probably hyping this up more than I should be. But yeah guys, so meanwhile I'm just gonna sit here and admire that view. Built, not bought, guys. There he is. Let's see what he thinks. Did it get me copyrighted?
What the fuck?
You like it?
Yeah, man. Yo, that's dope, right?
It's nice, right?
That's dope. When you got that?
Yes,